Model, 2018 Ford Ranger Wildtrak 4x4 DCB TDCI Automatic Unrecorded Light Front Damage. Body, black 4x4. Mileage, 98,316. MOT, the 10th of February 2026. Engine, 3198 cc 3.2200 PS TDCI. Transmission. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. On recorded light front damage still starts and drives. This should be an easy bolt-on repair job, no VAT, absolute bargain, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is below average with some wear and tear. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it, genuine honest pickup. Features, alloy wheels, cruise control, reversing camera, air con, electric windows, parking sensors, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,